we are moving to the last part of the lesson. We need to remember that our role, this is the important thing, what is our role as a citizen does not end with electing our representative. Our role is not finishing with just by our election. Rather, it is then that we begin to use newspaper and the media to carefully chart the work carefully chart the work that is being done by our MP or MLA, and we want to criticize their actions when we feel it is required. Means after the election, what we want to do, we want to read the newspaper and we want to get the information what all things they are doing as a MP, and if it is needed we want to criticize them. And thus what we should bear in mind, and it is that it is the extent, involvement and enthusiasm of people that help the parliament to perform its representative function properly. If we are keeping silent, they won't work, the representative won't work. So what we want to be there, it is our extent work helping, and our involvement in a parliament, as well as this is our life or enthusiasm or interest as a to help the parliament function properly. So here we are having many duties as a citizen. We want to be vigilant what our MPs or MLAs are doing, even in the village panchayat or in the municipality, what they are doing, how we can help them, and how we can criticize them, everything we want to think. And here we can see the glossary of the lesson. First one, criticize: to find fault with or disapprove the person or thing. Criticizing means not means purposely we are making them to be get pain. Instead of that, we are having the find out the fault, or we are disapproving with a person or a thing. For what? In the context of this chapter, it refers to the citizen finding fault of the functioning of the government. Here we are saying about the government, if it is not functioning properly, or it is not giving the not thinking about the welfare of the people, then we can say express our disapproval, or we can show the fault what they are doing. Next one, it is the evolution, the process of the development from a symbol to a complex. Means everywhere we can see everything started. Even your biology, in biology you studied life started with a single cell organism, and now we can see the complex cells and the tissues and everything you are studying now in 6th standard onwards. And like that, complex animals also we can see, even human being, like that things we can see. Then next one, it is the sedition. This applies to anything that the government might consider as a stirring up resistance or rebellion against it. In such cases, the government does not need absolute evidence in order to arrest the person. When some people, if they are working against the government, for example, when election comes, some of the people those who are making violence regularly, the government, what they will do, they will keep that like that persons in the jail for some days, maybe for 5 days, 10 days before the election itself, and after that they will get a release. And why? Want to avoid the problems. Or if the person is doing something against the government don't want to wait to get the clear cut that prove details of that. Before that itself they can arrest. Then repressive, to control severely in order to prevent free. Means they are making the people can't move freely here and there, or everything suppressing. The government is saying like that, should not like that situation it is coming as repressive. And here having the exercise question, write in your own words what you understood by the term rule of law in your response, including the fictitious or real examples of a violence of the rule of the law. What is rule of law you want to write, and give an example. Maybe it is a real life example, or some your own imaginative examples you can write. Then state two reasons why historians refute the claim that the British introduced the rule of law. Why we are saying historian saying like that, politician saying like that, political science students, not the politician, those who are working in different parties, not like that. The rule of law not made by British. Why they are saying like that? Then you want to prove that one, it is there in the textbook itself, and reread the storyboard on how a new law on domestic violence get passed. When the first law came, that time how the people criticized, what all things they asked to include. So you want to reread the storyboard once again and want to give answer, and write in your own words what you understood by the following sentence. Page number 44 to 45. They also began fighting for great equality and wanted a change, the idea of law, for a set of rules that they were forced to obey. The law are us, including just idea of this, means the people started to fight against or for the great idea, and what it mean. And you can take the any example, with the help of example also you can explain, or directly you can explain. By this we are completing the lesson. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.